Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Sir. I thank the Honourable Member for this question, and let me assure him that not much has changed from his time as a diplomat in Washington. One, we are guided by the Article 2 of the Vienna Convention on diplomatic relations, where states have to agree. And when we intend to establish missions abroad, of course, the host state has to agree. And Honourable Speaker, sir, the decision to establish diplomatic relations as well is very much guided by our government's foreign policies, and governments every now and then when they come into place, they have their foreign policies, and of course that leads to the establishment of missions abroad. If I mention during the alliance government, we had 7 missions initially, and this was mainly in London and the multilateral organizations, and of course Canberra. During the SBT and of course SDL government as well, we shifted to China, and including the Consulate General Office, as it was evident of Fiji's focus during those years in the Asia-Pacific region. And the Fiji First Government, Honourable Speaker, has established 7, and of course is much more within the Asia-Pacific, and of course the multilateral organizations as well. These are the guiding principles to the establishment of our missions abroad. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.